Hi, my name is Greg Hunter. I'm going to tell you the story about a 7th grade stormwater runoff project. This project was a collaboration between 7th grade students and teachers at Timberlane Middle School and scientists and educators at the Watershed Institute. The major goals of this project were to provide students with rich and relevant knowledge and understanding about the natural world around them, allow them to access authentic data, and give them opportunities to experience the engineering design process from start to finish.
Part of our mission is to foster an understanding and critical thinking about how our behaviors negatively impact the environment, to raise awareness about the need to change those behaviors. By working with teachers and students, we get to use both a top-down and a bottom-up approach at the local level to generate relevancy and enthusiasm for these issues in our very own community.
Through this collaboration, we were able to work with scientists from the Watershed Institute as well as educators from the Watershed Institute to collect data at 2 local stream sites. This data was then used with our students to identify the problem that stormwater runoff is causing in our local community. While the Watershed scientists and educators were working with the teachers, everything was being documented. There was drone footage. There were photos and videos that can be brought back to the classroom for the students to use to analyze the same data that the teachers did at these 2 stream sites. Once students were able to analyze and interpret the data, they were able to make a connection between stormwater runoff and local stream biodiversity. At this point, we switched gears. Now, the students' new task was to analyze the stormwater runoff system at Timberlane Middle School, in an effort to see if we are having a negative impact on local stream biodiversity and if we can do something about it. Once armed with an understanding of how stormwater runoff has a negative impact on biodiversity, students were able to use their knowledge and understanding of the current system at Timberlane Middle School and redesign it using a model. Students learned that by using green infrastructure like rain gardens and bioswales, we can reduce our impact on local stream biodiversity. And finally, towards the end of the project, I was approached by another organization called the Friends of Hopewell Valley Open Space, and I helped them write a grant so that we could have a rain garden installed on Timberlane's campus. Here you can see some pictures of some of the students at work. Thank you very much. Thank you again to Hopewell Valley teachers, Hopewell Valley administrators. Thank you to the Watershed and all their staff. And thank you to Hopewell Valley Friends of Open Spaces. This was a great project, great experience. Thank you.